Credit card debt can feel overwhelming, impacting your financial health and peace of mind. But don't worry. With the right tools, you can take control. By 2025, technology has made significant strides in helping us manage debt. Let's explore cutting-edge tools available at our fingertips. Mobile banking apps are game changers. They allow you to track your spending and payments easily, ensuring you stay on top of your credit card usage. AI-driven budgeting tools can analyze your expenses and help you create a more effective monthly budget, making it easier to manage your credit. Set up automatic payment services to avoid late fees and save on interest. This way, you never miss a due date. Credit score monitoring apps keep you informed about your credit health, helping you make better financial decisions. Debt consolidation apps streamline the process of merging multiple debts into a single, manageable payment, often at a lower interest rate. Enhance your financial literacy with apps designed to educate you on credit management and personal finance strategies. Gamification in these apps can motivate you to stick to your debt repayment plan and even reward you for milestones achieved. Incorporating these tech tools into your financial routine can transform the way you manage credit card debt. Embrace technology as a proactive strategy for a healthier financial future.